And this is Betty for Computer TV. Today I've got some powerful desktops for you. This machine right here is the Lenovo A57 Celeron 430. It's perfect for you guys starting out with your small business and wanting to expand. It has all the essential features you need, plus it's got capabilities to expand. If you want to add 4 gigs of memory, you have DDR2 SD RAM technology, you have a powerful Intel Celeron 430 processor, and you have your standard 80 gig hard drive. Again, this is great for you small business owners that are starting off new. It's affordable, low budget, and the best part is that you can expand on it. It comes standard with a full-size keyboard which connects through a USB port and your scroll lock mouse. So let's take a look here at the front at the very simple features. You have your DVD-ROM up here. You have your power button, very simple, down on the side. And then you have your headphone and mic jacks and your USB port up and on the bottom. Very simple. If we look at the back here, starting from the top, we have our power supply outtake here and then your power supply port. Moving down, we have PS2 ports here, and then your serial, your VGA, and your parallel port. Moving further down, you can see we have 4 USB ports and an Ethernet cable port. You also have more jacks here for your microphone, your speakers, and a line out. Taking a look inside this Lenovo, you can see we have a PCI Express slot, perfect for video cards. You have your PCI Express 1.0, and then you have 2 other PCI slots ready for use. All right, so you can see here we have 4 SATA ports, which is great if you want to expand on your hard drive space. You also have the speaker up in the front here, which is really big actually for being a computer speaker. So you can definitely crank some tunes here, or if you really want to hear your window chiming, you could do that too. Moving along, we have our cooling units over here, and then we have our hard drive sitting nice and pretty over here. Moving over, you can see our memory slots here, which come standard with the basic 512, but you have up to capabilities of up to 4 gigs of RAM, so it's DDR2 SD RAM technology. And moving along, you can see the actual components of this computer. You have room to expand and room to add. So like I said, if you're starting off and you want to do your numbers and crunches, this would be the machine to do it because it's a very basic, and you also have capabilities to add on more hardware for more performance. Like I said, this Lenovo A57 Celeron 430 is a powerful, basic setup for expandability. Perfect for all you guys starting out on your own in your small business, or if you have a couple of employees that you've just added on, this is a great machine to include in your business. For Computer TV, I'm Betty. For more information on the Lenovo A57 Celeron 430 Mini Tower, type in T709048 in the search box of any of these fine retailer websites. For Computer TV, I'm Betty.